Next thing we want to do is we want to make a graph. So we're going to say insert chart. And here we go. We are going to want to make this one not a line chart, but actually what we want is a scatter plot. And so you can see here's the dots that represent each of those XY coordinates, and then one at 42 months. And next up, let's go ahead and move this actually to its own sheet. That will make it a little easier to work with. Plus then we can see the instructions that are behind it. So move to own sheet, and we can go ahead and edit, go under customize, let's go into series, scroll down, say trend line, scroll down, use equation, include r squared, and now you can see the equation there is 33,400x plus 35,000, and obviously because everything is linear here, we're going to get an r squared of exactly 1. We can go up here to chart and axis titles. We can change the title. It's going to be cost of running a restaurant. If we want, we can center that. We can change the color. If we want, we can make that nice and bold. And we'll go through and change some of the other things as well. So that's chart title, so we can change the vertical axis. So instead of it being that equation that it defaulted to, we can just say this is cost in USD. We can change the horizontal axis to be time in months. If you want, you can change the color as well, or some other parts of the formatting. But now we got a nice little graph that shows us the linear cost of our restaurant with each month. So this tells us how much money we need to be making at least by 42 months out if we want to still be in business. Again, we can go back here, we can change this number, change this, maybe we don't want to see at 42 months, maybe we want to see at 30 months. So it's going to bring that down to 1,000,000. When we go back to our chart, to our graph, you see it's not quite as spread out because we're not going as far to the right. So we can go ahead and rename this and say, call it the cost graph. And that is all. Go ahead and delete the last set of instructions, and you are done. Congratulations.